How to pause a video or freeze a particular frame on a video on ClipChamp. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can freeze a particular frame on a video on ClipChamp. Well, if you look into the options for editing available on ClipChamp, there is no any particular option for freeze available, but there is a trick around it. What you want to do is head over to the particular frame that you would like to freeze, right? Whether on the middle of the video or anywhere on the timeline. Then you want to zoom in. Simply tap on Ctrl and scroll your mouse button in order to zoom in here so you can see. And once you have zoomed in, head over to the particular frame, right? Then click on S button, which will split the video, right? It is the shortcut for splitting. If not, you can see the scissors icon. You can see the shortcut is split S right here. Then here, just split another part, just forward it or behind it, just the part, a little bit part here. I'll just select here. I've clipped it here, I split it here, I'll split it here again. So you can see I have one video here, and in between I have another video here. Now what you want to do here is, since there is no any option to freeze the video itself, right? What you can do is three dots on it here, sorry, not three dots, but tap on it, select the particular trimmed part of the frame that you would like to freeze, and then select speed from the right hand side of the screen, and from here you want to set it to 0.1 here. And now this part will be played in slow motion. So let me show you here. It'll be as good as freezing. So you can see it's very slow in 0.1 and then it'll start again. So this is how you can freeze a particular frame in ClipChamp. The other option is you can screenshot it. I've already made a video on how you can screenshot a particular part of your screen. So you can screenshot the part that you would like to freeze and split this timeline, split the video on the timeline, and then add that particular screenshot and edit its duration as per your need. So this is how you can pause video in ClipChamp. Hope this video is helpful. Do like and subscribe.